Think your pickup can't carry more? Think again. The Tacoma Molle Panel is a smart upgrade that transforms unused space into organized storage. Designed specifically for the Toyota Tacoma, this rugged steel panel gives you a secure place to mount tools, recovery gear, first aid kits, flashlights, and other essential accessories. Its precision-cut molle pattern works with a wide range of pouches and mounts, making customization quick and easy. The durable powder-coated finish resists rust, scratches, and harsh weather, ensuring long-lasting performance on every adventure. Whether you're overlanding, camping, working on job sites, or exploring off-road trails, this panel keeps your gear within reach while maximizing cargo space. It's a practical, heavy-duty accessory that adds both function and style, making every Tacoma ready for the next challenge.
One hitch, multiple trailers, zero compromises. The GWT Auto Adjustable Hitch is built for truck owners who demand strength, flexibility, and confidence on every haul. Its adjustable height lets you match different trailer sizes with ease, improving towing stability and reducing unnecessary strain. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a durable, corrosion-resistant finish, it's designed to handle tough jobs and harsh weather. Whether you're towing a camper, boat, utility trailer, or work equipment, this hitch delivers a secure and reliable connection. The precision machined receiver ensures a tight fit, while the adjustable design eliminates the need for multiple hitch mounts. Perfect for work, recreation, or cross-country adventures, the GWT Auto Adjustable Hitch combines rugged durability with everyday convenience, making it an essential upgrade for any serious pickup truck owner.
Want your truck bed to handle more without the flex? Here's how. The Bed Stiffener Kit is a must-have upgrade for pickup owners who push their trucks to the limit. Designed to reinforce the truck bed, it helps reduce flex and twisting caused by heavy loads, off-road driving, or towing. Built from heavy-duty steel with a corrosion-resistant powder-coated finish, this kit delivers long-lasting durability in the toughest conditions. It also adds extra support when carrying rooftop tents, bed racks, toolboxes, or overlanding gear. Precision engineered for a direct fit, installation is straightforward with minimal modifications required. Whether you're hauling equipment to the job site or exploring rugged trails, the Bed Stiffener Kit improves strength, stability, and confidence, helping your pickup perform at its very best, wherever the road or no road takes you. Tired of your truck bed turning into a mess? Watch this! The Nodle Trunk Organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your pickup clean, organized, and ready for every trip. Built with durable, water-resistant materials and reinforced stitching, it easily handles tools, groceries, emergency gear, sports equipment, and travel essentials. Multiple spacious compartments and sturdy dividers keep everything securely in place, preventing items from sliding around while you drive. When you don't need it, the organizer folds flat in seconds, saving valuable cargo space. Strong carrying handles make it easy to move from your truck to your garage or campsite. Whether you're heading to work, going camping, or taking a weekend road trip, the Nodle Trunk Organizer delivers smart storage, maximum convenience, and everyday reliability. What if your truck's safest storage was hiding in plain sight? The Chevy Console Safe Organizer adds an extra layer of security while keeping your truck's center console neat and organized. Designed to fit select Chevrolet pickup models, this heavy-duty safe provides a discreet place to store valuables like wallets, keys, important documents, and small electronics. Its durable steel construction and tamper-resistant locking system help protect your belongings whether you're at work, on the road, or parked overnight. The organizer tray keeps everyday essentials easy to access without sacrificing storage space below. Installation is quick and requires no major modifications, making it a practical upgrade for any truck owner. Combining convenience, organization, and reliable protection, the Chevy Console Safe Organizer is a smart investment for every adventure.
Think all pickup trucks are the same? The 2026 Toyota Hilux is here to prove you wrong. Meet the Toyota Hilux 2026, a pickup truck built to conquer every challenge. With its bold new design, advanced technology, and legendary durability, this truck is ready for work and adventure alike. Its powerful engine delivers impressive performance on highways, job sites, and rough off-road trails. Inside, you'll find a modern cabin packed with smart features, comfort, and connectivity. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, exploring remote destinations, or handling daily tasks, the Hilux 2026 offers the reliability and capability drivers trust. Tough, efficient, and built to last. This is the future of pickup trucks.